Smiley360 is a cashback website that promises to help you save money on everyday purchases. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's dive into the details. When you first visit Smiley360, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The sign-up process is simple, and once you're in, you can explore different offers from various brands across a wide range of categories. Whether you're shopping for groceries, clothing, or electronics, Smiley360 partners with major retailers to bring you cashback opportunities. The platform works by offering specific tasks that you need to complete to earn rewards, like sharing your opinion on products, completing surveys, or even testing products. Once you complete a task, the cashback is credited to your account. The more active you are on the site, the more offers become available to you. But the site's real charm lies in how easily you can earn rewards just by making purchases you were already planning to make. One of the standout features of Smiley360 is its simplicity. You don't have to jump through hoops to claim cashback, and the website does a good job of highlighting relevant offers. However, there are some limitations. While many offers are easy to redeem, the payouts can sometimes feel a bit slow. Depending on the retailer and offer, it might take a while for your cashback to be credited to your account. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another thing to note is that the site can sometimes have limited availability of high-paying offers. While there are plenty of smaller rewards, the larger cashback offers might be harder to come by. It's important to check back regularly to make sure you don't miss out on the best deals. Overall, Smiley360 is a solid cashback site for those who regularly shop online. It's especially good for people who enjoy sharing their opinions and testing products, as these activities are a big part of earning cashback. However, it's not perfect, and you might want to manage your expectations if you're hoping for massive payouts. If you're looking for a reliable cashback website, Smiley360 is worth trying, but just be aware that it may take some time to build up substantial rewards. If you're looking for better deals, there are other platforms that might offer more consistent earnings. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on the best cashback sites and apps.